If you enjoyed this video, check out one of my instruction books available at Amazon. The links are in the description. This is my latest wood model, the big tower crane. This video is just going to be a short overview to show you the operation of the crane and how it works. If you want a longer video that shows all the little details about how I built it and all the techniques of how it actually operates, that's my other video. That's a much longer video for the 3 of you out there who might be interested in it. So this is just going to be a short overview for those who want to see it. The dark wood that you see on this model is mostly walnut. And then there's birch and poplar dowels, and there's also some Baltic birch plywood for the gearing. There's over 3,000 parts in this model, and it took me quite a while to build, but it was definitely worth it. The crane operation is all controlled through these 3 rings at the bottom. The bottom ring that you see me turning right now controls the rotation of the boom. Now I have it geared so that it takes 3 full rotations of that bottom ring to turn the boom once. Now I don't quite have all the room in my shop to actually do that 360 rotation right here, but you get the idea. The middle ring controls the movement of the cable carriage and the moving counterweight. It's easy to see the front cable carriage moving here, but if you look closely, you can also see the rear weight cage moving at 1/4 the speed of that front cable carriage. Now the far left counterweight is a permanent counterweight to offset the weight of the boom, and then the weight cage itself I can add weight plates to so that I can offset whatever load I might be lifting. Both the cable carriage and the weight cage move on these spiral cut rods that you see. The third control ring controls the extension of the cable. Now there are actually 4 cables here that hang a suspended rigging cradle. In order to lift something, the rigging cradle has 4 independently adjustable cables attached to it that I can extend to various lengths to hook onto whatever I might be lifting. Before I lift something that heavy though, I need to add some weight plates into the weight cage. These are just sections of metal bar that I have sanded off smooth. Now this object that I'm lifting right now is a little bit lighter than that front end loader model, but you can see that I have it deliberately hanging on the rigging cradle offset from center. It's because I wanted to make sure that the rigging cradle would still hold things and be relatively level, even if the weight that would attach to it was a little bit offset. So this is the big tower crane model. As I mentioned earlier, there's a more detailed video about the operation and construction of this that goes into a lot of the little nitty-gritty things about how I built it. But if you're interested in this or in building any of my other models, my plans are available at Amazon and there are links in the description. Thanks for watching.